Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into one of the best play baking sets for toddlers available in the market, the Elitoky Cookie Play Food Set. If you're looking to spark creativity and endless hours of imaginative play for your little ones, this set might just be what you need. The Elitoky Cookie Play Food Set is designed to bring the joy of baking into the world of pretend play. It includes a delightful assortment of toy food accessories like cookies and cupcakes, all crafted from durable plastic to withstand the rigors of playtime. This set not only encourages creativity but also helps children develop essential life skills through role-playing. Let's break down some of the standout features of this set. Realistic design. Each piece of food in the Elitoky set is meticulously designed to resemble its real-life counterpart, making playtime feel more immersive. Variety of accessories. From cookies to cupcakes, this set offers a wide variety of food items that cater to different pretend baking scenarios. Safe and durable materials. Built with child-safe materials, parents can rest assured that their little ones can enjoy playing with these toys safely. Educational value. Beyond just fun, this playset helps children learn about food, kitchen activities, and social skills through interactive play. Let's see the Elitoky Cookie Play Food Set in action. Watch how these young chefs engage with the set, exploring their creativity and enjoying every moment of their pretend baking adventures. Now, you might wonder, why choose the Elitoky Cookie Play Food Set over others? Besides its vibrant design and educational benefits, this set stands out for its attention to detail and durable construction, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment for your child. Whether you're looking to enhance your child's imaginative play or searching for a thoughtful gift, the Elitoky Cookie Play Food Set is a fantastic choice. It combines creativity, safety, and durability, making it a standout option among play baking sets for toddlers. That wraps up our review of the Elitoky Cookie Play Food Set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that matter to you. Until next time, happy baking and happy playing.